Today, I'll be installing a new set of shocks onto my SCX24 deadbolt. Let's start by taking off the tire so we have access to the shock. Now you can remove the shock by unscrewing the top and bottom screws that hold it in place. Here's a side-by-side comparison between the stock and upgraded shocks. You have a choice between hard or soft springs that come included with the set. I decided to use the soft springs rather than the hard ones that come pre-installed on the shocks. You also have the option of raising or lowering the collar on the shock body for quick preload adjustments. Both stock and upgraded shocks are friction damped, which can result in a bouncy suspension. To eliminate some of that bounce, add a small amount of green slime to the interior of your shocks. Once everything is reassembled, use 2 of the 8 provided screws to install the new shock onto your RC. Now that your shock is installed, reattach the tire and repeat the process on the remaining corners. Here's an example of how slime-filled shocks reduce suspension bounce, resulting in greater stability on the trail. Let's get the deadbolt outside and test out our new equipment.